World-renowned for groundbreaking research and protecting cultural heritage, the Penn Museum has been exploring our shared humanity since 1887. Making anthropology and archaeology accessible to all means ongoing transformation. Our most monumental one yet, the Ancient Egypt and Nubia galleries. Imagine a glimpse of life and afterlife in ancient Egypt, showcasing the tomb chapel of Khafra. Dating back to 2350 BCE, its original pigment is still there, even after 4,000 years. We're also planning for a palace, fit for a pharaoh. The centerpiece of royalty and religion in ancient Egypt and Nubia is the Palace of Merentop. And for the first time since their excavation more than 100 years ago, the palace's soaring 30-foot columns will be on display at their full height.
These galleries offer a close look into the lives of ancient Egyptians and Nubians. Not only powerful pharaohs, but also working people who fueled two of the world's oldest societies. Nowhere else outside of Egypt will visitors be able to walk through the soaring architectural elements of an ancient Egyptian palace. The Ancient Egypt and Nubia galleries will be worth the wait.